What's going on, YouTube? Did you miss me? Alright, in the last video, I showed you guys the new cap logos that I was going to be getting made from Dutch Label Shop. Well, guess what? They're in, alright? So, let's go ahead and do this unpackaging. Whole process took like a week and a half. The majority of it was shipping. Shipping took 5 days. So just throw that over there. Ooh. Once again, Dutch Label Shop has not let me down. Alright, before I even bust open this plastic, you see they just come in little like plastic Ziploc bags, and you know, with a little iron there to specify that, you know, these are iron-on labels. So let me open it up so you guys can check out the detail of the woven patch. Alright, there you go. This is considered a woven patch. I had to make them 2 inches. So here you have it. All my colors came out just the way I wanted them. Iron on. So that clear coating you see on the back, that's pretty much, that's the glue that's gonna make the patch adhere to whatever you want to put it on. Now, I'm gonna be putting these on red hats. My hats didn't come in yet. So we're gonna try and see how they look on the white hat. Alright, so I got my old school cap press already heated up. Don't laugh at my cap press, man. It's old, it's ancient. I'm about to get a new one, but the one that I want from Heat Press Nation is on back order. So, you know, I gotta rock out with, you know, oldie over here. I had oldie for years. I got oldie off of Craigslist. Anybody out there that's just starting out, if you're looking for some equipment, you know, go to Craigslist, go on eBay. You can find something cheap, you know, to get you started. And then once you save up enough money, you know, get what you want. Me, there's no reason why I haven't upgraded my cap press all this time. My excuse is that I don't really make that many hats, but you know what? There ain't no excuse. Let's just get out. Let's get into this. All right, so line this up the best way I can, because I don't have a clamp on this thing, so you pretty much gotta like hold it down, make sure everything is where you want it. I'm not even gonna use any Teflon tape. Yeah, yes I am. I'm being lazy because I want it to be straight. But they came out pretty good, man. Always. Dutch Label Shop hasn't let me down yet. Let me just get this lined up where I want it. Alright, this looks centered to me. Oh, it just fell off. Yeah, not bad. Okay, so here we go. So we'll hold this down best we can. Let's give it one more good press. It's on there though. As a matter of fact, we don't need to give it another press. It's on there. Pull the tape off. There you have it. Now, like I said, I wasn't gonna go with white. I'm gonna go with red, but just so you guys can see that you can actually make some nice stylish hats using these actual patches. So there you go. Got you a nice 5-panel joint. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Let's build this thing up so I can keep bringing you that hot content. All right. Now, in the meantime, like I always say, choose your own path. Let's go.
The message is always in the cloth, the colors, the designs, the fit. Basically, pay attention, stay alert, and remember, choose your own path.